Pero nakikita na kami ng
Satisfying meal. Now currently, they are
Satisfying.
on the screen as we announce the lucky winners of our pre-rumble draw. Yes, we
it's 10%, I would say 10% books, 90% books.
Walang kwenta. Walang kwenta.
Sa mga tulat, sa mga katamo papete. Kaya nga na makilala kita, alam mo lagi na merong iba. Natutuwa kong nagkakamot na padalas ang pagsuot ng gusto ng kulat.
Ang nagbubuwas is dito na babalik. Buwas mabalik before 8. Tapos Wednesday ko mabumas na ito lang kuan.
Myself in the process, got from my health, but I couldn't notice overhitting goodbyes in disguise. I never know, come see me only when
Guys, makakomatose na ako ng oras na. Ayan, 11:44. Guys, ayoko na. Nababaliw na ako. Yan ang aking setup, guys. Yan. Tapos yan, sobrang dami niyan. Yung mga paper pa ako dyan. Tapos may mga nakasulat pa dun sa wall. Pero di yung makikita. Whatever. I'm currently studying. Ayan. For our exam tomorrow, I have 3 subjects, major subs, bukas. So, gusto ko mag-lock in. Gusto ko magbago. Kasi dati, always ako nag-vlog and in-upload ko siya sa YT. Palagi, super productive ako noon, nung first year ako. First year, first term, and second term. Pero nung third term, napagod na ako. Kasi nakakapagod talaga na. 3, go. How much you in the dark? You lit me up. You made me feel as though I was enough. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your hair back when you were drawn up. Then you smiled over your shoulder.
Infusion at
10 out of 10, guys. Oh, yummy.
how about with this sauce?
I don't, suka.
Oh,
I don't
try
eat
lang.
suka.
Tia Boris yan. Great.
9 over 10.
Right.
Yeah. Masha.
Ladies and gentlemen, the final set scores are 30-28, 25-18, 22-25, and 25-23.
So guys, so I'm getting ready kasi I'm going to Cubao. Whatever. Basta, samahan niyo ako mag-get ready with me. Shade oat. Yung aking bracelet. Ay, shoes lang. Ay, tumatuli na makeup ko. Ayaw. Ay, alis na ako. Guys, ay, I want more here. Here and here. Here, everything. This is the fit. You can see my I borrowed from my pinsan and top from TikTok lang. So ito, this is also from TikTok. Tapos yung hat ay cup pala, sorry. Cup is from my pinsan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung kakainin ko. Ayoko kumain ng kanin. Kasi syempre nag-walking pa lang ako. Tapos nakain ako ng kanin. But here, meron dito strawberry. Tsaka yung dinala ko pang yema cake, nandito pa. Hindi ko bet yung ano nito eh. Last na kain ko ng strawberry, grade 7 ako. Hindi ko bet yung lasa niya, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Pero siguro, wala. Ayan, tatlo lang. Tatlo lang kainin natin. Then, ako may ano to. Sabi na eh, may pansit malabon pero may shrimp. Sarap yan. Ang asim nito.
Hello guys, we're here sa Gateway. We're gonna study. Balita. Whatever.
Ito lang lagi
Huge amount of properties,
sa dorm mo lang pa ilaw.
Some things like that, okay?
But whatever.
Next number ay next sentence.